Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable environment variables in Expo for staging step by step clearly. First, open your Expo project in your preferred code editor. Navigate to the root directory of your project. Create a new file named .env.staging. In this file, define your environment variables in the format variable_name equals value. Save and close the .env.staging file. Next, install the React Native .env package if you haven't done so already. Run the command npm install React Native .env or yarn add React Native .env. Open your babel.config.js file. Add the following configuration to the plugins array, module, React Native .env. Now, configure your Expo app to use the staging environment. Open your app.json file. Add a new property named extra. Within extra, add another property to reference your staging environment variables. For example, set extra API URL process.env.api_URL. Close that app.json file and save your changes. Next, it's time to create a script for running your Expo app in staging mode. Open your package.json file. Under the scripts section, add a new script called staging. Set the script to run Expo with the environment variable option. For example, Expo start config app staging.json. Now create an app.staging.json file in your project root. Copy your existing app.json settings into app. Modify the settings to fit your staging configuration if needed. Finally, to start your Expo app in staging mode, run the command npm run staging or yarn staging. Your environment variable should now be successfully enabled for staging in Expo. Confirm this by checking your Expo apps logs for the correct variable values. You are now ready to develop using your staging environment settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.